Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today, I'm about to show you something that will literally take your breath away. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just any RV. It's a rolling mansion, a moving palace, a machine that takes comfort to a whole new level. And today, we're going inside to see all the jaw-dropping features that most people only dream about. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by ultra-premium interiors, soft ambient lighting, luxury wooden trims, glossy surfaces, and that subtle high-end fragrance. Everything screams luxury. The seating is so comfortable that the living room instantly feels like the most premium spot in your house. And the finish? Absolutely flawless. The living area comes with a massive 4K smart TV, an immersive sound system, and multi-zone lighting that gives you a cinema-like experience. Whether you're on the road or parked, entertainment is always at the highest level. This motorhome truly redefines what luxury on wheels means. Next, the kitchen is modern, stylish, and fully equipped. You've got an induction cooktop, smart oven, fridge, stainless steel sink, and high-end cabinets. Cooking on the road with 5-star style? Totally possible. The sleek design alone is enough to make you fall in love. The dining area is minimal yet elegant, creating a calm and premium vibe you'd usually only find in high-end restaurants. Every detail in this motorhome is crafted to perfection. Moving to the bedroom, this is where luxury truly shines. A king-size bed with premium cushioning, soft LED ambient lighting, smart storage solutions, and a layout designed for complete peace and privacy. You'll feel like you're in a 5-star hotel suite even while traveling. The bathroom is equally impressive. LED mood lighting, a glass shower cabin, high-quality fittings, and a modern vanity. This isn't just a bathroom. It's a luxury spa experience on wheels. Every system in the motorhome is smart and intuitive. Lighting, climate control, shades, security, all easily managed with a touch. Storage, power management, and other technical features are seamlessly integrated, showing the kind of attention to detail usually reserved for million-dollar vehicles. The 2026 luxury motorhome isn't just a way to travel. It's a lifestyle. For anyone who wants luxury, freedom, and comfort in one package, this is the ultimate dream machine. Stepping inside, you instantly realize how technology, design, and comfort combine to create a masterpiece. If you love luxury motorhomes, insane RVs, and next-level travel experiences, the 2026 model is sure to be your favorite. Thanks for watching Auto Plus. Stay tuned for more incredible rides and luxury machines, and I'll see you in the next video.